today we are honored to have special guest with us, Mr. Raj Malhotra, who is a founder and director of Raj Malhotra IAS Coaching. So welcome, sir.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
So now I'd like to introduce our co-host who is from our education, and our education a platform who dedicate to our outcome based basically test preparation. Now I'd like to welcome Vartika Tyagi, and Vartika Tyagi, now it's over to you.
Hello everyone. I'm Vartika Tyagi, your host from Now. I'm very honored to be here with you, sir. I have a
Thank you
couple
very
of
much.
questions for you as well.
Please.
So, my first question for you is that what are the key qualities and attributes that UPSC looks for in civil service aspirants?
Ma'am, there are one thing I told earlier, it is the consistency with which you prepared and then you sustain with the process. You have given your pre, you have given your mains, now you're appearing for your interview. That consistency in your temperament, your attitude, aptitude, right? One thing is this. Number two, you should be not a person who is bookish. When you write your answers, when you speak in your interview, it should not be something that you are reflecting what you have read in the books. It is like how you like related with the world around, with the current affair things. Now you cannot just keep on looking into the current affairs, you have to relate them with the glory of India's civilization. For example, recently I had been tweeting on my ethics series on my X account. So I was telling that what a good civil servant can learn from Lord Rama, what a good civil servant can learn from Lord Krishna, and what are the do's and don'ts that we can imbibe from the character called Ravana. A good civil servant, he should be very very energetic, he should be very very forthcoming to serve the people, but at the same time, like Ravana, he should not be arrogant, he should not be high headed, he should not be adamant, he should respect the dignity of women. So learning from different things and then you express yourself, that makes the difference. So the personality
Great.
needs to be multidimensional and multi-perspective.
Very nice, sir. Thank you. And so my last question is for you is that how does Raj Malhotra IAS Academy help students in their UPSC and state PCS exam preparation, sir?
Ma'am, if I haven't explained that the way I have explained the things earlier asked, then I cannot explain it better. I have
Sir,
already explained that. I have
sir, you
explained it
can,
in through two ways.
yeah,
One, the way I told you that how you have to interlink the past with the present with the future, that
yeah.
we tell our students. One. Two, I told to the other host that what we had been missing as students, now we are ensuring that we are nurturing the students for the future with the commitment that is required from a teacher. So these are the two things that make us stand apart.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
That is all for me.
Thank you.